Howdy, I'm Gary, Dillon Precision's Human Manual, here to bring you some tech tips on the RL1100 progressive reloading machine. This bolt that holds the ratchet onto the tool head is what goes through this camming slot and makes this primer cam arm assembly move the primer slide in under the shell plate and pull it back underneath the primer magazine to pick up a new primer. About every 10,000 cycles, it does need to be greased. So just pull the handle down, take a cotton swab with some grease, grease the bearing surface on this bolt, also grease this channel here.